welcome to our special video. Brace yourself for heart-stopping moments as we showcase the biggest truck accidents captured seconds before disaster. What happened and what lessons can we learn? Let's dive in. Winter isn't just snow, it's also mud traps. This bulldozer had an unplanned mud bath. Have you ever witnessed anything similar?
That's a good road.
Demolition derby on the A10? Reckless drivers turn traffic into chaos. How do you think the police handled this brainless display? There was an unexpected mishap on the truck arena stage. Mid-competition, a truck suffered a mechanical failure, leaving everyone wondering, was the preparation thorough enough? A runaway daft truck turned the road into chaos. Logs spilled, causing damage to 5 vehicles. What's your take on pre-trip safety checks? A miraculous near miss. A cement truck collided, but a pedestrian narrowly escaped unharmed. Do you believe in luck like this? South Africa's fierce winds sent a truck and camper flying off a bridge. Always check the weather forecast before hitting the road. Would you dare to drive through such windy conditions? A severe accident on Brazil's BR-470 highway. These challenging curves demand full concentration from drivers. What's your strategy for navigating dangerous roads? Deteriorating roads aren't just an inconvenience, they're a hazard. Investing in infrastructure is key to safety. But do you agree? Lane crossing, a small action with big consequences. A careless car caused a serious collision. Do you always stick to the rules while driving? Overloading pushed this truck to its limits. Load regulations aren't just for show, they ensure safety for everyone. Have you ever faced a similar challenge? Muddy roads are no place to test your luck. This truck lost its balance and tipped over. A costly lesson in speed and load control. This truck deserves a gold medal for conquering steep and tough terrain. Have you seen more impressive driving skills? Muddy roads aren't an easy challenge, but this timber truck pushed through. Strength and finesse are essential companions on such journeys. Chains around the tires, a brilliant grip booster solution. Have you ever tried this trick on slippery roads? timber truck lost balance and tipped over. Another reminder of the importance of proper load distribution. What mistake do you think the driver made?
Por que o rapaz entra? Ó. Ah, tombou. Nossa.
A treacherous curve nearly tipped a
rapaz.
truck over. Poor speed control and cornering techniques are recipes for disaster. Do you have safe driving tips to share?
Rapaz. Trambuia pura bucha.
A truck sped down the Gio 050 and ended with a dramatic flip. Speed isn't just a safety hazard, it derails all plans. A truck sped down the Gio 050 and ended with a dramatic flip. Speed isn't just a safety hazard, it derails all plans. Cleaning a tanker with steam but forgetting to vent it. The result, negative pressure crumpled the tanker like a soda can. A costly lesson in precision and care. Close calls that leave you breathless. This video will amaze you while making you silently thank luck. A truck climbing uphill with black smoke billowing out, looking like a coal-burning train. Its engine might need a miracle. A timber truck challenged nature, crossing a flood stream. A daring move with immense risks. Would you attempt something this bold? A train crosses the East Alligator River at Cahill's Crossing, a scene as fascinating as it is challenging. What's your take on this daring mode of travel? Top-notch driving skills on challenging roads. This video showcases the meticulous care and exceptional expertise needed when facing danger. Ever seen an ultra-long truck make a right turn over a tiny bridge? This driver turns the impossible into reality in the French countryside. A timber truck stuck deep in the mud, but this rescue will keep you glued to the screen. A serious crash on Interstate 70 serves as a stark reminder to maintain a safe distance and obey traffic laws. A Soviet truck pushes all limits while hauling heavy timber. Pure strength. But it still requires skill to navigate difficult terrain. An explosion of a tanker car due to a faulty safety valve. Don't forget to check the technical details to avoid these situations. The truck's hood saved the driver's life. Without it, the outcome could have been drastically different. What do you think about the importance of truck design? A truck carrying 23 tons of oil flips over in Sumatra, Utara. A cautionary tale about managing load and ensuring safety when operating large vehicles. Thank you for joining us. Which moment impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to not miss out on more exciting videos. See you next time.